Now I want to conclude this module here by also handling 404 errors, because currently if I enter an invalid URL, I get this 404 page, but we wouldn't get a better page if this is running in production. So if this would not be running in development mode. Now we can add this default 404 HTML file, and as I explained before, Django will automatically pick up this file whenever a 404 error is raised. And therefore here I will then simply extend my base HTML file like this, and then simply add my title block, end block, and then here also the block for the content. And you can, of course, style and structure this however you want. I will keep it very simple. And as a title, I'll say we didn't find that page. And in the content, I'll just add a h2 tag where I say we're sorry. And then as a paragraph, but we couldn't find that page. And this will then be my actual 404 page. We don't see it here because we still have this preview in development mode here, but this will now be used as a template if we're getting a 404 error. And I just wanted to add this here to round this off. It's not that important for us here. The most important part was building that basic block here. And therefore, let's now move on and dive deeper into Django and into more Django features.